Okay, so guys, let's look at question number 1. So question number 1 is saying, mention the right of a citizen that may be violated by defamatory statement if proven by the courts of law. Okay, so they are talking about the right of a citizen that may be violated by defamatory statements. I'll give an example. Some of you are fond of telling your friends to say yori ule, uri mbwafe, yochika bora no chichakora. Those are defamatory statements. Okay, so if you tell someone to say uri ule, meaning you are violating their reputation or their good name. Okay, so in this case, the question is, which right may be violated by defamatory statement if proven by the courts of law? So the answer is the right to reputation or the right to one's good name. Okay, so guys, avoid such. Okay, let's move on to question number 2. A unit of the Zambia Police Service which was instituted and given the responsibility of dealing with police corruption in the system is referred to as, so this is referred to as the Police Professional Standards Unit. Okay, so this unit was instituted in order to reduce the cases of corruption in the police service. Okay, to avoid corruption in the police service. Bamunataba police maybe bambibachiramo corruption, kamurandu kari concern corruption, babosha abantu umurandu bawunyantirira. So there was an institution which was instituted that is to deal with corruption in the police service. So this was called the Police Professional Standards Unit. Okay, let's look at the other question. So the other question is saying, state the 2 recommendations that were made by the 1991 Mvunga Constitutional Review Commission. So take note, guys, this question is very important. It comes in most papers. Okay, sometimes you may be asked to say, when was the Mvunga Constitutional Review Commission established? So it was established in 1991. Now, they want us to mention 2 recommendations the Mvunga Constitutional Review Commission recommended. So these included the reintroduction of multipartyism. Remember, in the first Constitutional Review Commission, which was the Chona Constitutional Review Commission, they abolished multipartyism. Okay, meaning they stopped multipartyism. Okay, then in the second now Constitutional Review Commission, which is the Mvunga. So now, since the Chona, they abolished or they stopped the multipartyism democracy, the second one, which is the Mvunga, reintroduced it. So no wonder we are saying reintroduction of multipartyism. I hope you know what multipartyism is, guys. Multipartyism is a system of governance where more than 2 political parties are legally allowed. Okay, that is what we call multipartyism. A system of governance where more than 2 political parties are legally allowed. So it was abolished, it was stopped in the Chona Constitutional Review Commission, and then it was reintroduced in the Mvunga Constitutional Review Commission. The other recommendation was the inclusion of the children's right. They also included the rights of children. That's why we're saying inclusion of children's rights. So if you're being asked a question to say which Constitutional Review Commission included children's rights, you say the Mvunga Constitutional Review Commission. Okay, let's look at question number 4, guys. Kashana is 17 years old. She was raped by a old man on her way from school. So this girl was raped by a old man on her way from school. Then we are told to say, identify 2 consequences that Kashana is likely to suffer as a result of the abuse. Okay, so they want us to identify 2 consequences that this girl could suffer as a result of this abuse of is it rape case? Okay, so the consequences, number 1 is the risk of contracting sexually transmitted infections. The risk of contracting sexually transmitted infections. Okay, that's number 1. Then number 2, we can also talk about unwanted pregnancy. Unwanted pregnancy. So number 1, the risk of contracting STIs. Number 2, unwanted pregnancy. These are some of the